Hi everyone, Heather here at BMW Bridgewater, and today I'm going to show you how to add washer fluid in an iX and also in an i4, and then how to turn on your windshield wipers. Okay, so where do you add the washer fluid in an iX or an i4? Right where the Rendell is, the BMW logo sign. So you just need to make sure your vehicle is unlocked. You will press the bottom once, you will add the washer fluid in there, and then you will close it right back up. Okay, now that we're sitting in this iX, we have our windshield wiper controller over here on the right-hand side. You will flick it once towards the front, and that will turn on your windshield wiper blade in the rear, and then if you flick it again, it'll activate the washer fluid. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about the front windshield over here. So we're gonna move the knob up once, which turns your windshield wipers on automatic, and that'll determine how fast you're driving and how hard the rain is coming down. Also, if you flick it up one more time, then it'll start moving constantly. If you press the knob towards yourself once, it will activate the washer fluid, and it does come out of the windshield wiper blades and not the washer nozzle in the front like on a typical car. Okay, here's an example of how to turn on our washer fluid in our vehicle. So we're gonna press this nozzle, like I said, forward, and it will now come out of our windshield wiper blade. And it's just that easy. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call at 908-287-1800, and don't forget to like and subscribe.